Welcome to Dzinga. From this video you will learn how to set up your Dzinga account and to make and receive calls in 10 minutes and 6 easy steps. I'll show you how to fill in your profile, buy a number, add new user, create calling group, enable call recording and set up your first call handling rule. Let's get started. First, go to user settings and fill in your profile. Account owner's name goes here. User type, VAT and country sections here are disabled. Because this data is provided only once at sign up, to change these you'll need to contact support. Setting up your time zone. This setting is essential to correctly process calls during work hours and non-work hours. Company name goes here. Now company address. Here you can change your account email. Make sure it's up to date, because that's how you could restore access to your account if needed. Here goes your phone number. Press send code and you receive an SMS with 6 digits verification passcode. Put the code right and press confirm. Now set up the account password and press save. Here we go. Let's move to the next step. To make and receive calls with Dzinga, you need a phone number. Let's get you one. In the main menu, go to Services and scroll down to Multi-Channel Landline Numbers section. Click Buy. Choose the country from which you want to buy a number. You may choose any country from the list, regardless of where you are located physically. Choose landline numbers are always associated with specific areas, like cities, so if you have any specific city in mind, choose it from here. If you want a number that includes your specific digits, like your lucky number combination or important date, put it there. Now you see the list of numbers that fit your criteria. Choose the one you like. Click the green shopping cart icon to proceed with purchase. Click the shopping cart icon in the upper menu. Here's your cart. Click Buy to proceed with the order. That's it. The number is now added to your account. Now let's grant access to other people within your company who are going to use Dzinga for their communication. In the main menu, go to Settings and choose User Management. Here you can see the list of all users within your account. To add a new one, click Create a User. Now let's set up the user profile. Put the name and position here. Then decide which of your numbers will show when the user calls someone. Now assign a unique 3-digit extension number. Extension numbers allow people to reach this user directly by dialing your company's number followed by the extension number. Enter user's email, the Skype handle, the last one is optional. To better control your communications spendings, you may limit the amount that each user is allowed to spend for communications per month. This field is optional, so you can set up a limit or leave it empty. At setup, Dzinga automatically assigns the SIP ID and password for each user, so the hardware setting selection is pre-filled. You may update the password there, set up new password manually, or click Generate Password to create it automatically. Then click Save to save the new user profile. Here we go. Mark is now added to our Dzinga account and could start making and receiving calls at any time. Now let's create a user group. User groups let you assign a group of people to handle calls. If one of them can't answer, another one will pick up, so you will never miss a call again. To create a group, go to Settings and choose User Groups. Let's create a brand new user group. Click Add Group. Let's say I assign a group of people to handle communications related to technical support. I name the group accordingly, support, and assign a 3-digit extension number to the whole group, the same way I previously did for a single user. Now imagine someone calling this group. In which order people in the group will receive a call? There are 4 options. In order means they will get a call in the specific order I set. First users in the list will get a call. If they don't pick up, the second user in the list will get a call, and so on until someone picks up. Random means that any user in the group can get a call in no specific order. All group members simultaneously means all the users in the group will get a call at once. Their phone will ring until one of them picks up. Least busy means that a call will go to the user that is available at the moment or has the smallest amount of calls in the queue. Next, I set up the music that people will hear when they call to support. You can choose the tune from the list or upload your own sound file. To upload a file, choose Upload Your Own, then click the green Upload button and choose the file on your computer. The group is now empty. Let's add people there. But first, click Save to save their group settings. Now, find the group in the list and click the gear icon against it. To add users, click the green Add User button. You see the list of all the users within your organization. Use a search for member field to find specific people in the list. Type their name and press enter. To add Mark to the group, I'm ticking the box against his name and clicking Save. Done! Mark is now in the support group. Now I'm gonna add another user. Here we go! The support group now includes Mark and Pablo, who receive calls in a specific order. When someone is calling support, Mark is the first to receive the call. If he doesn't answer, the call goes to Pablo. Click Save to save changes and it's done. The support group is ready to handle requests. If you want to record and store the employees' conversations, you need to enable call recording. In the main menu, go to Services and choose Disk Space and Voice Record. Switch the voice record on. Now all the calls will get recorded and stored in the cloud. You could access them anytime from your Dzinga account interface. We're almost there. The last step is to decide what exactly is going to happen when someone is calling you. Whose phone is going to ring first? What happens if they don't pick up? To set this up, let's create our first set of call handling rules, or call flow. In the main menu, go to Settings and choose Call Flow Management. Choose the number for which you want to set up the call flow. Now we'll set up what's going to happen when someone is calling you at this number. Name your call flow. In my case, it's marketing. Click Create to confirm. Look at this flowchart. Now when someone is calling you at this number, their call goes nowhere. None will answer. This is bad. Let's fix it. Click Add Element. Go to Item section and click Create. There's a variety of options for where the call may go, but I want a specific person to answer the call. So I'm clicking User, and then I'm choosing a person, administrator, whose phone's gonna ring when somebody's calling my source number. That's it. Click Save to save the changes. But what if the administrator won't answer or will be busy on another call? I don't want to miss the call, so I'm setting the backup option. Click the plus icon next to the item section and click Create. This time I'm going to send a call to the user group, specifically to marketing. I'm checking the group settings to make sure they're up to date. What I see, if the administrator won't pick up, the call will go to first to Mark and then, if not answered, to Pablo. That seems fine, so I'm clicking Save. Also, I can set up how long the call will try to reach the administrator before it goes to the marketing group. By default, the wait time is 30 seconds, but you can adjust it if you want. Now my call flow is set up. The call to this number will first go to administrator. If the administrator doesn't pick up in 30 seconds, the call will go to the marketing group, first to Mark, and if he doesn't answer, Pablo. So that's fine with me. I'm scrolling down to save the rule. That's all. Your Dzinga powered business communication system is ready to receive calls.